Ndewo. Kedu ka ọ dị? Aha m bụ Chidi Igwe, onye nkuzi ụlọ akwụkwọ mmụta asụsụ na omenala Igbo, www.igboteacher.com or www.igboschool.com. Now that you have registered for the course 2 and logged in, I'm going to show you how to use the course materials and where to locate them. Now, you may need to upgrade or update certain things on your system, your computer. If you need Google Chrome, you can click on it and download it. It's free. We have noticed that this program runs well on Google Chrome. But there's also Internet Explorer that you can upgrade or update by downloading it here. It is also free. You may need to install QuickTime Player if you do not already have it on your system. The link is here. Click on it and then install QuickTime Player. Check also whether you need to install Windows Media Player. Download it here and install it. We provide you here with a link to the radio services that we offer. You can click on this link and it will take you to our other website, www.igboschool.com. Here you have the news in Igbo language, and we encourage you to continue to listen to this news in Igbo language. Down here you have reports made by me, some in English, some in French, and some in Igbo. Now, when you open up this place, the most recent news will start playing. We noticed that this one works better with Internet Explorer. But then the news also listed here by dates, so you can click on a particular date to listen. Your program is divided into 6 weeks or 7 weeks. Here you have links to ihe ọmụmụ. So you have a certain amount of work that you expected to cover in a particular week. Izuka nke mbụ, you expected to do ihe ọmụmụ nke mbụ and ihe ọmụmụ nke abụọ. Click on it and then click here to play. As you play the audio, the audiovisual, you also have the written script here that you can download and then follow it as you listen to your teacher. Now, the major difference between this course 2 and course 1 that you probably have taken is that in course 1 you have your quizzes week by week, but here you have your exams during the last week. You have ule demede nke mbụ and ule demede nke abụọ. Whereas in course 1 you had ihe omume for each of the weeks. Click on a particular ule demede and then continue and write your answers, and I will go through to make corrections. Then your corrected score, your final score, will show up here. Now, ule edemede, edemede means written. ule demede, and ule means exam. Nke abo, you click and then you continue. That exam is timed, so you will just type in your answers and finish and submit. Now here you have introduction to Voicethread. You will be doing oral exams, that's oral exams using Voicethread. If you click on this, it will give you tutorials on how to use Voicethread. Go through that, and for your oral exams you have the script here, which is the same script that we used for these lessons, like lesson 8, lesson 9, and lesson 10. Download the script, practice reading this script. When you practice reading those scripts, then you are ready to record yourself. What you're going to do is to click on Ulagumagu, Agumagu reading. Click on Ulagumagu Nkembo, for example, and then continue. Is timed. It brings you here. The moment it brings you here, what you're going to do is to click on comment. After clicking on comment, then record, and then it may require you to set up a quick registration. You can register and then log in again. So when you click on record, it will start recording. You will see it reading down here, red. Record your reading and click on stop. So now I'm logged in. I click on record, then I allow. Hello, this is Chidi Igwe, reading practice. After recording, stop. I have two options. Hello, this is Chidi Igwe, reading practice. After recording, then it plays back the recording, and if I like it, I will then click on save. If I do not like it, I will cancel and record again. So after you finish the reading quiz, I will go through, but the reading quiz is autocorrection. It's supposed to be autocorrection. Now if the reading text is one that we have used in these lessons, then you will need to listen to the lesson again and then make correction and say the words that you didn't pronounce well. But if it is a different text, then I am going to attach a link here that you will listen to with my own reading, so that you can compare my reading with your own reading. So that's what you will do for the two ule agumagu. You have ule agumagu nkembo and ule agumagu nkabo. So this ule agumagu nkabo, you have the script that we used for those lessons, but ule agumagu nkembo is a different script. So that is that. When you have completed the program, the course, please endeavor to complete the exit survey for us. It will enable us to know what we should update or upgrade when we work on this course in the future. When you're done, if you like to register for course 3, you just click on the link here. It's going to provide you a page where you register for that course, but because I'm already registered, it takes me straight to the course. So that is that on showing you where to locate course materials and how to use them. But we want to make ourselves available. Feel free to contact us anytime you have a question or you have any form of problem with the reading and course materials. chidi.igwe@gmail.com. Dalo. Ndewo.